Howdy! Since it's Sunday, I thought we start off with a sun video. That's from Space Weather. You can see plasma dancing above the sun. Really neat, really nice picture. And last week's X flare, 1 week ago, active sunspot IAR2994 exploded, producing a magnificent X1 solar class flare in Portugal. The sun was high overhead. Yeah, that's really odd. The sun was in Portugal. Astrophotographer Michael Claro swung his camera to the blast site and recorded a 4K movie of the flare's aftermath. And somehow this reminded me of what we had some time ago at Fuego Volcano. Plasma dancing. That's real time. There are more of these. For example, that one which just would have come after. And now they are leaving plasmoids. They take off. But anyway, I wanted to show you something completely different. Let's leave volcanoes. And let's hop over to windy. Look at that. We have two really strong storms here. And that's the equator. So we're here in the middle. And I really wonder what is going on because this doesn't seem to be a coincidence. Because here somewhere in the middle of those two, or in between those two weather system, is expected to be our magnetic North Pole new position. And another thing I want to point out is that despite there's this is spinning like that and this is spinning like this, because here we have the equator and the Coriolis effect. The filaments, they are still trying, or they are moving into a different direction than the main storm itself, because even though we have the Coriolis effect, but these are electrical structures, these storms, so they have a counter rotation built within it, or within them. Maybe here we can see it. If we just get them, yeah. This is spinning in this direction, and they are spinning into the opposite. Spinning or spinning, moving. And it's really interesting. So you could expect somehow that in between those two, we might have some activity going on underneath and also be under those two thunderstorms. So we could maybe expect something to happen there in this region. Maybe even more than just buoys getting shut off. But we have to keep an eye on that region now for the time we have those two storms there. That's something. That's something. I think this is something really significant happening at the moment. I think that's really important. I really don't know what to make out of that. Here you can see a sea pinch. But anyway, changes are happening all over the place, and many are happening faster than anyone would have expected. So we have to be aware and keep an open mind and take all the possibilities into account in order to minimize the surprise factor. Because it's our job to adjust our perception to the reality, not the other way around. They are connected, those two weather systems in between. And they might also have this kind of really distinct boundary line somewhere in the middle. But I think someone who knows more about this should probably take a look in that. That's something really interesting because they are perfectly aligned in the north-south axis, at least at some point. Really interesting. And maybe India should get warned. This seems to plunge into India. Where's the other one going? Does it go anywhere? Or does it just stay put over the buoy, which got shut off for whatever reasons? I don't know. Maybe we should check out the buoys quickly. Yeah, buoy. Anything going on there? No. For the most part, they are shut off. No data. So we have 1, 2, 4, 6, 8 buoys which are working in a really big and really important area. So really interesting times. But I will leave it here. I just wanted to show you these weather patterns. Thanks, bye.